know. Another day to touch my skin. I won't tell him where I've been. He knows, he knows, he knows. It's tearing me apart. I'm slipping away. Am I just hanging on to all the words we used to say? The pictures on my phone. He's not coming home.